This video is brought to you by Origo Inspect. Keep your drivers from pencil whipping their inspections. To find help resources within your database, you have a number of options here under Help and Support. This first one for in-app help gives you a pop-up where you can search topics, browse articles, and read through the current MyGeotab release notes. There's a shortcut to this feature up here as well. Live Chat with Geotab opens a pop-up box so that you can speak with a support agent via chat. First, fill in your phone number, or skip this step, and then wait for an agent who will correspond with you here. Contact information provides you with details about your Geotab reseller and how to contact them. Depending on the services your reseller provides, you may be able to use this number for things like technical support or purchasing additional equipment. This page also has a quick link to chat with a Geotab agent, just as if you click Live Chat with Geotab instead. This page shows you the product guide, which contains some useful information such as the latest product release notes. Updates blog links you to all of the blog posts about the latest changes to your MyGeotab database. I've personally found these blog posts pretty useful and recommend reading through them whenever new ones are released. Known Issues opens a new web page with any currently known issues that Geotab is working on, as well as the status of each one. Additional Training will take you to Geotab's video training materials. These are Geotab's corporate videos, not the ones you're watching here. And finally, this About section may be useful to you if you ever want to read Geotab's end-user agreement, or probably a lot more likely if you ever need to find your current database version to provide to your reseller or Geotab support. Another really useful resource for getting help within your database is the Geotab Community, which is listed here under Geotab Applications. Sign up for access, and from here you can ask any questions you have to Geotab's experts throughout the world. Personally, I find this one of the best resources to get quality Geotab support for generic help issues, since there are a lot of people who monitor the website frequently and can often help you find an answer pretty quickly or at least point you in the right direction.